People think they're going to suffocate in their sleep from mouth taping, but that is not true because it is completely breathable. I've been mouth taping every night for 5 months now, and here's why I'm not going to stop. Mouth taping prevents mouth breathing, which over time can reshape the way your face looks. Just look at this before and after from when I started using mouth tape. And don't even get me started on the countless other benefits to mouth taping. I sleep through every single night now and wake up at 7 a.m. on the dot. The best thing about this brand of mouth tape is that it's made out of silk, so it's not going to irritate your skin over time. And it also comes with a 30-pack of these nose strips for completely free. I think they're even on sale right now, so make this small investment on yourself for a huge investment on your health in the long term.